In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Namecheap domain to Vercel. By the end, you'll have your custom domain pointing to your Vercel project with a clean professional URL. First, head over to the Vercel website in your browser. If you're not already signed in, log in using the email associated with your account. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the upper right corner and click Add New. From the options that appear, choose Domain. This takes you to the domain management flow inside Vercel. Next, select Add Existing Domain. Here, you'll enter the domain you purchased from Namecheap. Type it exactly as it's registered. So, for example, example.com if you want the root domain, or www.example.com if you plan to use the www version. Take a moment to double-check for typos, since even a small mistake can prevent the domain from verifying later. After you submit the domain, Vercel will immediately guide you to connect it to one of your deployed projects. You'll see a list of your existing Vercel projects. Pick the one you want to attach to this domain. If you're offered the option to set it as the primary domain, choose that if you want this to be the default address visitors see. You can always adjust this later in your project settings. At this point, Vercel may show a notice about verification or configuration. That's normal. It simply means Vercel is checking that the domain is correctly pointed and that you have ownership. Follow the on-screen guidance within Vercel to complete any remaining prompts. If you're using both the root domain and a subdomain, make sure you're adding the exact one you intend to use, since each entry is treated separately. Once the connection is set, Vercel will display the domain status. If it shows as verified and active, you're ready to test. Open a new browser tab and visit your domain to confirm your site loads from Vercel. If it doesn't appear right away, give it a little time. Domain changes can take a bit to propagate across the internet. It often happens within minutes, but in some cases it may take longer. Refresh, try an incognito window, or test from another device if you're unsure. That's it. You went to Vercel, logged in, added a domain you already own, and connected it directly to your deployed project. Keep your Vercel dashboard open for status updates, and you'll know exactly when everything is live. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new custom domain on Vercel.